We are 1 win away from 15,000 trophies, and this is on my second account. We're going to use this OP Graveyard deck. Let's see if we can get it. First thing you have to do is to cycle your furnace. So it's using a Hog Rider deck. With the Firecracker. Of course, he has a faster cycle than me. Yes, only one hit. Nice one. Nice defense. And he's using Tesla too, so he has a less faster cycle now. I'm pretty sure he has Earthquake. Because if he has Fireball, he should be fireballing me now. I cycle to my Knight. I'm ready for his hug. Yes, this is the Mighty Miner. So I think we can, it's safe to use a Graveyard because he has no Mighty Miner to tank. Oh, I think we are going to take tower. Maybe. Let's see. Let's place that Night Spirit for good measure to protect our furnace. And yes, bring this tower down. All you have to do is play defensively for 1 more minute. I hope he gives up. He just said wow. So I don't think he's gonna break through my defense, but let's see. Of course, he's not gonna give up. He's gonna Earthquake soon. He didn't Earthquake. I'm gonna barrel the Firecracker. Let's push it. But the Mighty Miner has better range. So let's see if we will push. I presume it's on the left because it is a lower health tower. Or not. I'm gonna place a high Goblin Hat because I know it has Earthquake. And yeah, it's an easy win for us, guys. So if you master this deck, you can easily get to 15,000 trophies. And for more TikTok, for more live stream, you can follow me on my TikTok, Arkniel Gaming, and YouTube, Arkniel Gaming and Vlogs. So that's it, guys. 15,000 trophies on our second account. Our main account is already on 15,000 trophies. This is my main account, the Arkniel one. And for those interested in joining my clan, you can also join in my clan. I'm looking for people who are active in war. So that's it, guys. This is my main account, Arkniel. It's also in 15,000 trophies and Ultimate Champion player. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.